Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I just got a quick show for you on this new iRonsnow emergency radio, AM and FM. I've gotten several inquiries of the capacity of the built-in rechargeable battery. It does not have a battery slot you can add batteries. It's got the built-in battery. In the documentation, it says the battery capacity is 4,000 milliamp hours. So I thought I'd test it. So I charged it up till I got 4 bars on the indicator right here, meaning it's fully charged. And I turned it on a AM station about medium volume and just let it play. It showed 4 bars for about 26 hours. Over a day, it showed 4 bars fully charged. Then it started dropping down, and after about 3 days, it dropped down to a 1. It stayed at a 1, that's 1 bar, stayed at 1 bar for about 12 hours. So it continued to play normally with no deterioration in the signal for 72 hours approximately. I got to a point where it was lasting so long I wasn't checking it as often. So it played 72 hours continuous, no breaks on that full charge. So I hope that answers your question. I'm very impressed with that. It of course has a couple of ways you can charge it. It has the cable that I showed you, USB cable, you can charge it. It has a solar panel on the top, you can charge it. And it has a crank charge, which I have determined you can use that crank handle as a stand. Oh, now I messed it up. There we go. So it'll stand up. That's nice. I want to thank iRonsnow for sending me this radio for a review. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.